Good morning, beautiful people. How are we doing? Hope we are all having a lovely Thursday. Um, Market's going back up. ES took previous day low. We'll wait for a few more people to get in, and then we'll go from there. How's everyone doing though? What's up, Ghost? This plays. I'll short it. I'll go over markets in a bit. I don't wanna. Hello, hello, hello. I just wanna wait for people to come in because I will spend the afternoon re-explaining myself. I'm currently eyeing a short on ES and NQ off of this high. We will see. Just trying to find a reason not to take it right now. Okay, I took it. The 30-second close below. Although it's a minute, I'm happy taking it. Risk is tight. Um, we can kind of go from there. Equal highs at Asia highs. Yeah, but I'm not really too fussed about that. Um, we'll see. For me, it's a decent trade. We kind of rallied up, left this unbalanced. So for me, I would just like to take a stab at this. We could probably go aggressively, go break even at this low because it is actually really bullish. But ultimately, I'm cool with this. That minute closure didn't. ES looks way, way, way better. Like as in, if I look at the minute on ES, it kind of probably keeps me out of this. And the 30-second didn't even get anywhere close on ES. We could just get absolutely smacked here, but it's a trade I would take more often than not. So we'll see. We will see. Yeah, not looking too hot. 17 points. Whatever. My brother, how's everyone? I'll go over markets in a second as to why I'm bearish right now. Um, there is actually something that, although I am bearish, I I probably shouldn't be. So that kind of comes my indecision on the market today. But I'll break that down in a second. How's the summer starting? Actually, the weather today's been really good, my man. I cannot complain about it. I'm just gonna cut this because I just want to save the points. I'm gonna retake it on the way back through because I think it's just gonna deviate and go again, and I'd rather just save it. Now, yeah, glad that happened. I did not want to get some sort of like bad slippage on that high, so just choosing to cut it a little bit early kind of saved me a bit there. Okay. How many of there are 55? That's good. Okay. If I go over the market, um, we'll go over ES first, right? ES swept previous day low. this is something that I actually saw about 20 minutes ago, right? Um, I looked at NQ and was like, yeah, we could get a pull back, then take out this low. Very bullish day yesterday. We kind of recovered most of it. Would like to see like all of it recovered and then trade higher. I take a short, get stopped. Well, I would have got stopped break even. Got a phone call. Gave my stop a bit of breathing room and just got absolutely smacked in the mouth. And then just took a loss there. So um, yeah, not the most ideal. And then on after my phone call, I was like, let me look at ES. I haven't really paid attention to it. So previous day low, it would have probably kept me out of of a short here earlier. But ultimately, I think that this overnight move, if they completely recover it, I think that that's not necessarily super bearish. So I'm kind of playing the basis of I would rather take a short inside of here, right? ES just took out that high. ES looks really strong. NQ looks weak, which when I think back to yesterday was the opposite. NQ was strong. ES was weak. So I do favor shorts on NQ, especially because it hasn't taken out this Asia high. We don't have any 4 hour sweeps on the lows, nor do we on ES. ES took out that previous day low. I think even intraday we should take at least a 4 hour low. So for me, I naturally um I naturally would want to see that taken again. Like a 4 hour low, sorry. We have an hourly swing here at 5. I was short at 7. 7 took out the high. I got break even. Like that. That was that trade. Then we pushed all the way through. I think that this is a alley oop trade. Like push through and then go lower. If we could take out previous day high from previous day low, I think the moves happen. There's no draw. It kind of at that point would make me feel very uncomfortable even taking a trade in any direction. Um, we got that new hourly candle now, new hourly high. We got 4 hour high, which I think they can potentially sell it down into. We I don't have a trade on this 15-minute expansion candle. So for me, it's like, where and how do I get positioned in here, considering all of the things we just went over? The number one thing that just is in the back of my head right now is that ES took out previous day low, and I'm fading ES. That's it. But I can't long up here, so I can only sell. So that's kind of where I'm at with it. I haven't looked at commodities like gold, etc. Not interested in them today. I think there's a good trade to be had on indices. Yesterday was a pretty quiet day for me. I did end up getting a trade that took basically bought back all my losses that I took in the morning. I took a few like little paper cuts. I took a small trade and basically paid for my losses in the afternoon. It was a very, very slow day, and then we pushed higher. I was short and basically got out just before a massive push. So for me, um, yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a slow one, no doubt. I was saying this before the stream, but naturally, I wanna get a short on somewhere. I'm just looking for it. Anyway, enough about me. Enough about the markets. How are you guys? How you boys and girls finding the market? Good day yesterday. Any winners today? Out of longs, my boy. Doing good. Yeah, doing good. Doing good. Went gym this morning, trying to get back into the swing of things with the gym. Longs, 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 longs. Did I buy the 765 LT? I need to find one, bro. They're super fucking rare. There's a couple for sale, but they're not very good ones. Um, um, anyway, I'm trying to be a little in the market as possible, taking the basics only. Aim fucking into that. That's the way to do it. That is the way to do it. You know, took a nice trade in London. What did he take? Longs, shorts? I assume shorts because it went down and it was a nice trade. Or did he catch some like super low time frame long? Jobby day with a grind up? Probably. The dollar dropping has cooked my live account when trading abroad. Yeah, dollar dropping is the dollar's just getting absolutely spanked. The thing is like you have to understand something is the dollar will find strength again. And we just have to kind of be patient and be sized down. That's kind of what I'm waiting for right now, to be honest. I'm waiting for the markets to kind of get more in turn and not just trade. Imagine I only trade dollar weakness right now, and I'm just long to the fucking balls every day, and the market turns, and I'm just offside. I might short ES here, boys and girls. Actually, I don't trade ES, but I actually might short this. Now I've got 2 minutes to get back down here. Nah, probably not. Um, this would be my trade. We'll see how it plays. I'm not gonna take it though. How am I doing? I'm doing good, bro. Cannot complain. Actually can't complain. The 8% made in February got wiped from dollar dropping back when converted back. Damn. Yeah, I'm more risk off in these markets, yeah. I don't prioritize what's it called? Longs or shorts. It's not really in my bag, my wheelhouse. Recently saw a YouTube short where you made 1 million in 2 hours. It was on the Apex funded account. It was on the Apex accounts. Can I share the data? What do you mean the data? You want me to share the trade? Date? Oh, bro, you're like what? This was 2 years ago on my Apex accounts, which I subsequently had to forfeit. I couldn't even, if you were to pay me money, I couldn't give you it. Actually, tell you what you can do though. You can go on my Twitter and find it there. Great, thanks. Here you go. Look, I'll do you a favor. Twitter. You jump on this M1. Yeah, I'm really sad about this, but it's whatever. Posts, photos. Sorry, media. No, posts. If I go posts and then I filter by most liked and I scroll a little bit. Here you go. Here you go. I'll put the post in here, and then what we'll do is we will go back and we'll find that tweet. Oh wait, what the? Oh, I'm on too low of a time frame. Here you go. 20th of August, 2024, and guess what time it was? 10 a.m. Would you believe it? I would. Here you go. I was short at, oh no, not at 10 a.m. Was it at 1? What time? Oh, I posted it at 1. Yeah, the short would have been off of 12, 1 maybe. No, it would have been 10. It'd have been off this high. Some correction into this low. You were born 20th of August 24. And here you go. Here's the photo of the accounts that day. And all it was a 177 point move. So you can work out what it was, right? Small accident fell into Hermes. Exactly. The real ones, remember. Thanks much. You're good. You're good, bro. The thing is that clip is taken massively out of context, right? Because I'm talking about my prop accounts and like the story of the Apex run up, etc. But that clip's just like I made $1 million in one day because it grabs attention, and that's why it's a words of wisdom clip that I repost. Does it? So yeah, wagwan, wagwan. Man, going through my most liked tweets, I missed Prime Kane. 7th of January, 2025. What else is there? Look at this. Fucking hell. Yeah, I kind of get bored of it now. Damn. Damn, Daniel. The good old days, eh? Or what about the time that I was getting a tattoo and made 30K? Who remembers that one? Oh, it's too large, that one. Um, crazy. Crazy times, eh? Good old days, Kane joining the lab calls with 15 cons. Yeah, I know. I do miss those times though. Miss those times, you know? Or the start of the $1 million account. Here you go. Ready? The $1 million account. The start, this was TradeStation, and then the fuckers absolutely crippled me from not being able to trade London, so I switched to AMP. But we did run that account up pretty decently before moving on. And I got all the screenshots. I've ever traded gold? Yeah. 37K on the day. Or this is actually the best screenshot ever. Oh, why is it when we post it? Let me screenshot it and then post it. Anyway, the fucking ES trade played. We'll go over the market. Well, we've already gone over the market, sorry. Um, the short was there though. The short was there. Kane is an good broker for personal accounts to grow capital. They're good, bro, but they will fuck you when they can. I'm just being straight with you. Like if you take on too much risk, they will they will hurt you. Just a random 100K trade, me chilling in my kitchen, Alex like, look, hourly high, 10:30, 15 minute, play the 5 minute, short, 25, bang. Straight through the open. This is like the goated setup, boys and girls. Actually, the goated setup. Like straight up. Ninja Trader, you can see it's there. Can we get back to that PA, please? Please, please. A good broker. It depends, bro. Like Amp's good, right? AMP is good. Um, but yeah. And then this is the get the best. These look at these days, by the way. 300K, 2x, another 300. Take it. Took a trade literally to take me over a mil, and the next day it was like, yeah, make 103. Bang, done. I know. It's actually just silly. Here you go, look. And this is when AMPE fucked me, by the way. Look. Like actually, bearing in mind that was 16th of January, and the day before that was the like 1.5 million day. Like the day that I hit 1.5 mil on the account. So yeah. But honestly, you had more than 100 cons open. Yeah. Well, obviously, look. We've set your max open contract limits to ENQ to 100. 275 was the highest at one point, which is just nuts, like actually nuts. Like to put that into context, right? If we were to take this trade on NQ, let's just say it was like what here and do this. I mean, this trade looks fucking great though. 275 contracts is 53K risk and a 284K gain. No, not micros, bro. I rarely trade micros. What indicator do I use for SMT? Actually, this indicator is the TLM indicator that the 2 degrees built for me. Yeah, I know. I know, boys. Trust me. I miss Prime Kane before, but more than any of you, more than any of you. I remember. Trust me. Trust me. Or who remembers this video? This video was goated actually. Look at the view. Everyone go watch this video. This is Prime Kane. This is actually Prime Kane. You ready? Watch this video. Look at the view though, boys. Haters will say it's AI. You know it's me. There's a vape on the desk. You know it's me. There's a vape on the desk. There's water to my side. 40 minis, amp. You can see it's live. Like you just look at the numbers jumping, and then you want to know something that absolutely fucking bonkers about it. Look at the response. Look at the reply. Where's that guy? Exactly. Where's that guy? Bring him back. Just know when the market's there, we will do that shit. Right now, it's not there for me. Nah, bro, it's just the market. You know, shout out that view though. Oh, that view was crazy. Yeah, I stopped using them because honestly, boys, the fucking like they just keep changing the indicator. It was just doing my nuts in. Oh man, we're going down a trip down memory lane on my Twitter. Man, 5 apes ago. Do you know what I'm saying? It's nice to see you happy, them crazy runs. Yeah, the market's just not been there for me for a minute like that. Or who remembers the legendary trade, the one micro. Did I close the Discord? Yeah, we did. Yeah, 275 cons. I see we're going light today. Yeah, no, I was just showing people like how big the fucking trade was at its peak. The Trump tariff trade. Me and T trade's just gambling. March. Let's see if this played out. March 8th. Let's go back to March 8th. What happened on March 8th? Oh yeah, we died. I wanted it the other way, back to the high. We got there. We just deviated a bit lower. Trading prop or personal? Personal. This is just my Apex Live account right now. I'm being smart. Yeah, I mean, look, I could I could deposit 100 grand to a broker and start smacking 40, 30 minis again, but I'm just gonna lose a fuck ton of size and put me on tilt. So I just wait. We get into the river and we build up to it, and we go from there. I personally have not tried to find an X Bolt account. A lot of people have, but it's just not for me, my man. I'm a rapid guy. I want to be able to take bigger, like healthier payouts. The Bolt accounts are just for payouts, right? Like 12K, go again. 12K, go again. Anyway, would you recognize conditions are here for you? Like like people will tell you, the people that have traded with me, um, will tell you when the model starts to win a little bit, like you actually just can't lose. Like it actually is just like the market just moves in that way and it just starts to follow through. You'll realize very quickly Yeah. Your company with order flow traders ruined you, I guess. Nah, not really. I still trade the same way, boys. I just have more context. But yeah, when the model starts to like win, you'll know about it because you just can't lose. So the reality is I just have to wait for a couple of good winning trades and then I'll size up. I'll hit something with 50, with 10, with whatever. Right now, until then, we're just trying to stay in the market, trying to stay in the rhythms, trying to keep doing the thing and go from there. Like we have an hourly trade here and it could sell down, but we don't have it. We don't have it on NQ. Oh, there's a 3 minute. Are we smacking this 3 minute? I might smack this for one. Stay in the fight. Exactly, exactly, exactly. The market maker's watching your strategy. Does Apex Live account work with payouts? I actually don't know right now because I haven't actually taken a payout on it. I got it 30K in the profit and it's now like 15K in the red. It's just how it works. Um, Good morning, my boy. Hello, Bray. Hello. But the way the payouts actually are supposed to work is I request a payout and they send me the money, just like normal payouts. But I don't know how long it takes. I don't know. I can't speak on a lot of things. Is the screen less laggy today? Chat. Like if I move it around, is it less laggy? Looks way better. Yeah, I changed my resolution from 4K to 1440. Shout out production for sorting that one out. By the way, there's a roundtable coming out tonight on Riz's channel. You guys should watch that. I think it will be semi good. Not 100% sure how it turned out, but worth a watch either way. No, I'm alright. Desi, who else? Me, Desi, Vince, Ocala, Yush, and Jacob. Yeah. No lag, only back. What's my opinion on Desi? He's a good guy. What's the question? Do I think he's a profitable trader? Do I like him as a trader? Do I like him as a person? Like boys, like listen, I'm gonna rant a little bit about this. Forgive me, but like social media has massively affected the way people think a successful how a successful trader acts, right? If you think a successful trader can go 100 miles an hour in the market forever and make money, you're fucking deluded. Like actually, but social media has just made you think that you can do that. Do you know how mentally taxing it is to trade large size? Like actually you don't. Like I'm just telling you. You do not realize what that's like until you're there. Like if you were to trade 15 minis on your prop account and see the numbers jumping, like cool, yeah, you probably sweat about it. You're probably like, oh, this is a little bit nuts. Okay, cool, but it's not your money. Now imagine it's your money. Like that you can withdraw and spend things and do things with it, change your life, you know, whatever. Like it's hard, it's mentally taxing when you realize you're risking 50, 60, 70K on a trade and you could take two of those trades a day and you lose one of those trades and then you're hesitant about taking another one. You have to kind of really block out the noise, you know? And it's hard. But you go on social media and you see everyone grabbing, fucking 5 hour trades, 3 hour trades, 2 hour trades, and you don't see the losers because no one posts their losers. And why the fuck would they? Because that's just silly. The algorithm doesn't reward it. People give you shit for it. It's like it social media isn't a place where you can be authentically like vulnerable because you just get fucking you get shit on. You actually get fucking shit on, right? So like the reality is like why would you do it? I don't blame people for not doing it. I understand the reasons. I'd love to see more of it. But at the same time, like when I'm hot and I love it and I'm in it and I'll do this shit. When I'm not, I'm here to just get the reps in and wait my turn, you know? Like and until then, I'm not going to try and trade the market with crazy size for entertainment reasons. Like I'm not a performer. I'm a trader. I want to, I want to trade. I want to make money trading. And sure, the views would be great with large size and getting people's attention and doing all this. But like, I don't want that. You know, I just want to wait my turn, wait for the market to do its thing. And when it's back, it's back. You know, that's how I feel about it. But social media gives everyone this perception of, you have to take crazy R or do this. And maybe I'm guilty of feeding into that as well, but it's just not the case. So, like, it is what it is. Yo, trader, I probably wouldn't want to sell this right here now. They're basically buying off this low, got this divergence, doesn't look too hot. Would filter that one out. Trauma days on losing on crypto and firm bankruptcy. We'll keep checking you, I guess. Yeah, you gotta remain grounded, right? Like I felt on top of the world a few times in my life, and very quickly the world will show you you are not that guy, right? And maybe you are for a minute, but you won't be for long if you don't let it. If you don't let it. If you let it get on top of you. Sorry. We'll see. We will see. We will see. Long from here, based on the 15-minute chart. I get it, bro. Looks good. You also have a nice break-even point in that 15-minute high, the previous 15-minute high. It kind of just died straight through it. Nice little draw. Push through to the high. It's basically the only reason I'm not taking shorts. The V-shaped move yesterday at Tokyo Open was insane. Which move? Let me look. Let me look. Yesterday at Tokyo. This one or this one? Already at plus 400 for the day. Shout out that guy who makes 400 bucks a day in their day job. Not a lot of people. I can ruin that one for you. First one. Dow looks much weaker than NQ. Yeah, the Dow's a weird one though, isn't it? One day is up, next day it's not. Got to keep on top of that. I'm doing nothing in the middle of here. I'm not looking at commodities today. Apologies. I'm only really interested in NQ. I actually think we could get a decent sell off today based on the chart. If DS can take out this previous day high and we can sell down off of that, I think we're chilling. If not, then we probably just keep going higher, like we always do. Like we always do. Lol. Fuck that chart, my man. Look at that. Perfect, by the way. Straight into that fucking logical liquidity target. Shout out to anyone that took that trade. Like a real man. Hourly flips. Got an hour. Yeah, damn, that's crazy. I did not grab it though. It was there. I framed it. I pussied out of it because I wanted to see the turn at half past and then basically get back into it. And I just pussied out of it. We didn't get tagged. Almost headlines again. Fuck the market again. How about them ones? Audi flip 30-second inverted. Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? Thing is that ES. What's happening here now? Where's my mouse? If they can get back below here, then we get like a sell down in the next 4 hours. Like NQ is already back below its 4 hour high. We have an hourly high. We have no 15-minute high. Um, Boys, we can get upset about like how like fuck Trump, fuck this, fuck that, but like the reality is that we can just do nothing most of the time and not be upset about it. You know? Would you still look for an entry in the IFG? Nah. We just hit the like this hourly logical liquidity target that's on my chart here. This is this is be my full TP. This is the trade. This is like a bread and butter trade for me. You know? Yeah. It is nuts how that happens. But the reality is that you gotta take it every time. And sometimes that ain't the easiest to do. In fact, not even sometimes, a lot of the time, that isn't easy to do. HLO at standard deviation -3, break even on my long. Yeah. What video on YouTube explained? Yeah, the chart fanatics video. Yeah. There's not like a single video that's like, oh my God, that explains my strategy to a T, you know? But it's definitely the best one. There's a reason I don't disclose everything, you know? Like, I'm not saying that like, oh, I'm gatekeeping. I just want to be the person that explains it, and I haven't been able to. Like, I haven't sat down and explained my model down to a T. There was videos on it inside the lab. We did a mentorship, but like people paid for that, and I don't want to put that out for free if someone paid for it. So there'll be a time and a place. I do. That is correct, AKB. More often than not, if you take the if when the market trades well for us, more often than not, you're able to get into that trade and and what's it called? And get break even on it. So like most of the time I would uh I would take it, you know. I saw that message by the way, Dylan. Yeah, typically. Um that is that a disposable vape? So this bit is disposable and then I keep hold of this bit. So I just buy the liquid over and over basically. It's the same thing, but I'm not the type of guy that has a liquid bottle and all that shit. Can't be asked. I didn't take the trade, bro, because I didn't get an entry after the entry. The 3 minute was there. We framed it, but we weren't actually able to get into it because it didn't tap back in. Yeah, the passive buyer just pulled the bid. Checks out, checks out. Nicotine in the vape, or is it straight vapor? No, there is nicotine in it, mate. I'd love to sit here and profess that I'm really healthy and that I go to the gym and I care about my health, but I need to. I need to get into that headspace. But right now, I'm not there. I got a wedding in a month, so I'm actually just bang on the gym for like a month straight. That's it. Hopefully that will sort out my issues. My issue is I keep getting in the way of my model for years, so I figured home base hits suit me better. Yeah, I mean, the moment a lot of people realize that actually being in the market less helps them, um, it's better for them all round. You know, I would say the vape is definitely better than smoking, but you will vape more. Like people will be like, "Oh, you should just quit." Like you should use the vape, but the reality is you actually will just vape inside. Like I vape, I sit at my desk all day and I vape. So yeah, it's too accessible. Yeah, or I would never smoke in this room. Yeah, shout out the people that can quit. Jealous. My wedding? Nah, not my wedding. My friend, my best friend's wedding, or one of my best friends. Boys, Amy Leon Dior dropped golf stuff. That means one thing: getting back into golf. Mr.
Oh,
Alex.
good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing? How you doing, Kane?
I'm alright, bro. Chilling.
Did you catch
Yourself?
that short?
Nah, I didn't come back for it.
Oh, damn.
Yeah,
Did you
sad
did you
sad
take
times.
anything in London?
Took one trade, got like I was break even on it, got a phone call from my mum, so I moved it back to the high and then I got stopped out halfway through. And then actually we took a short here, took like an $800 loss. Nothing crazy, but uh not the nicest
Meg?
morning so far.
Oh, good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great morning. Do we have any news today? I haven't checked the news calendar.
It's Thursday. We have unemployment claims every Thursday. Always.
Oh, sure. 8:30 and then flash manufacturing PMI. Okay, nothing too crazy. But I'll kind of show you guys what I'm looking at. Good morning. I'll kind of show you guys what I'm looking at here. Um, so to be honest, really strong close yesterday. We did close. So Wednesday did close above Tuesday's high. Obviously, that makes me lean more towards a continuation. Um, good. On the 4 hour, we have this internal here, just kind of consolidating. Same as yesterday. I was a little bit indecisive yesterday as to what we wanted to do, but we did get a nice, hold on, Tuesday, a nice retrace on Tuesday, and then that expansion on Wednesday, which makes me believe we'll see something similar here. Kind of looking at the overnight session, I actually have no idea what this wick is at 10 p.m. Like I have no idea what this is. Um, a 200 point wick in Asia session, and then it just completely retraced the move, came back down at around 11, and then just seeing a continuation from here on out. Um, yeah, as far as what I would like to see, I am just not really keen on anything. No headlines right at Tokyo Open. Yeah, I'm actually curious as to what that was. You know, I haven't looked at volume or anything, so who knows? Um,
Wait,
Apart from
was
that,
it like a Bank of Japan announcement maybe?
maybe
I tell you what, the easiest way to decide what it was is if we open UJ and see what UJ did. Uh, yeah, it pumped and then dumped. So it was a yen announcement probably.
it was a yen announcement. I heard there was something on with their interest rates, but I wasn't particularly sure what. USD JPY, yeah. It was, yeah, no, a crazy move overnight, to be honest. And the fact that it was able to come back down, so it you saw such a huge dump, completely retraced the entire move, or just about like 90% of that move, and then kept it going. It was Iran related news. Yeah, that's my main issue. Price has just been so jumpy, and I feel like I sound like a broken record. But yeah, just super, super jumpy price action. I'm not really a big fan of that because at any particular or any point, it could just either take you out or obviously play in your favor. But I don't really want to take those risks.
Yeah, it checks out.
What's up, Sports Connect, Anthony? Kane, have you ever traded JPY?
No, I have not, I'm afraid.
You only traded Euro USD, no?
Yeah, just a Euro USD guy.
Ceasefire breaches. I feel like that's such a common occurrence.
Market will get bored of it soon. That's the sad part.
Yeah. We establish a ceasefire. Ceasefire gets broken by both parties. They do whatever. They come back, establish another ceasefire. It's a continuous cycle.
It's like going back to your ex.
This war is your toxic ex. Yes, to me on the day, it looks like it's accumulating slash consolidating. Will this ever put you off from trading NQ gain? ES
So
is
what was the question?
consolidation.
ES to me daily looks like it's an accumulation consolidation. Was ever put you off trading in Q? Not really. Well, at least not a massive amount. The context changes things. Right now, the thing that puts me off of trading the market is the jumpiness of like the reactivity to headlines, right? And the fact that we're so reactive to headlines is probably because VIX is chilling at 20, you know?
I didn't realize ES hadn't actually taken previous daily high.
Yeah, it got ever so close and then we trade away from it. Like context is just so important in trading. I'm going to do something all of the time until I'm not. And why is that thing? And more often than not, it's because some sort of context in the market is telling me not to do that. And right now, that's where I'm at with it.
They've been doing that for years. That's how they negotiate. Yeah. The hell negotiating tactic. But yeah, NQ is just sitting above those highs. ES is not. So we'll see what today brings, to be honest. Next week though is kind of kind of stacked. Next week, next week. Fed funds rate, Wednesday, Thursday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday news, Fed funds rate, and then on top of that we have Apple. Is it Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Google earnings? So next week is stacked. Oh, yeah. I also just feel like gold hasn't been trading. Like it's just not as clean as it was during that period where everyone was trading it. Massive upside, completely retraced. Well, we're still in the 4,700s on gold, so insane jump from the 3,500s. I see. Can we zoom out a little bit on my chart, please, so they can see the instrument name? So this here in the corner, just a tiny bit, please.
Just move the chart to the right, boys. It's actually probably easier. Don't zoom out, move it to the right. Yeah. And then just make top left, hit the top left of the screen.
Perfect. Yeah, perfect. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, yeah, perfect. Would you short that 1 minute IFUG on NQ?
Me?
Yes, I think somebody's asking. Yeah.
Nah. Look, there's a 3 minute up there that I wanted to short, but I don't want to short it anymore. I would, what would I do now? We have an hourly high, we have a 4 hour high. We don't have an hourly low. We get a 15-minute high here. Then I would short. Until then, I just wouldn't touch it.
Why? What about that hourly swing?
Yeah, but I want a 15 minutes so I can just get a lower time frame.
Hmm. Tiramisu lover is back.
Kevin
Kevin.
didn't even read the chat. I know it's that guy. Shout out that guy.
Yeah, no problem, Auntie.
I just hope to meet Kevin in real life one day so he can bring me a tiramisu.
Better be the best fucking tiramisu you've ever had in your life.
I would eat it for him. I would fucking hate every second of it, but I would eat it for him.
Do it for Kevin.
I would. I would do it.
Do you like tiramisu?
No, no, I don't.
When you say 15-minute high, do you mean the swing formation closing inside previous candle?
Nah, I just mean the high. See some high, some push above, fade it back down. The only thing is that we don't have any lower time frame premium discount to go after. The only one we have is NQ higher time frame premium discount at 25,533. 2,000 points lower, 1,500 points lower. So
25. Oh, I see. It's just those large wicks on the hourly on the 4 hour just throw me off so bad. Good day.
good day, good day.
Yeah, when there's this big of a divergence, like just very, very iffy. Afternoon. I mean, look at the difference here. Closure Wednesday closed above those highs. Yes, isn't even close. It's still just kind of consolidating here. So we'll see what 9:30 brings. We got 9:30 open in about 20, 23 minutes. 27, 100 equal highs. Kane, one question about NQ. Was thinking of shorting at that swing about 0.32 or maybe 40. Would you wait for the 3 minute swing
Oh, a three
to
minute
be
swing.
taken out first?
I would never trade. Like, I don't care about swings that lower time frame. All I really care about is 4 hour hourly, and then I use a 15-minute swing to just get a position on my tighter risk.
Yeah, Josh, I think just wait for us or sweep the 079s. Do we have equal highs at 100s? Oh yeah, we do. Yeah. Boys, I just feel like the opens lately has just been so rangy, and then it just you kind of wait an hour, 10:30, 11, and then it just breaks out of that range and then continuously moves towards one direction. I haven't even taken a look at YM or what it's doing, but I think it's in a weird scenario.
Is it ever doing anything important?
No,
That's how I feel about it, yeah.
honestly, a really rough week for me though. Couple couple W's here, but also L's. Yesterday AM was also a bit rough, that open, but we managed to. I was on a 15-second short, got caught off guard on a short NQ London session, green to break even. Didn't think we would reverse from down there. Yeah, how have you guys been doing? How's everyone's week? If you're green on the week, type one. If you're red, type two. If you're break even, just type three. I'm curious.
I'm new and I'm red. That's okay, bro. I'm also red on the week. Don't worry about it. Actually, I'm green. That's a lie. That one winner that I got was paid for my week.
One, hell yeah, Anthony. Anthony's excited. One pending today. So Kane, 4 hour candles is your main PDO rate. Are you looking for a higher time frame POI like M15?
Nah,
Ah, bro.
just 4 hour highs and lows. Does it?
Tough green till now, but rough. Yes, I agree. I mean, I'm right on the week, so don't even. 3, 2, 1, 3. I'm seeing a lot of threes, to be honest, which is good. Because if you decide not to do anything, props to you. Yesterday was my red day. 3 consecutive minus 150 days. Happy with the losses. Yeah, as long as you can control them, that's all that matters. Okay, if we want to learn the lab model, how can we do that?
Right now, the only way you can do it is by being here, actually. Right now.
There might actually not be any better way, but over leverage to get here. I honestly, at least you're honest to yourself about it.
Nah, bro. No, I didn't say that like there are videos inside the lab that people have that are there, but they're not free because people paid for them. Like, and I would feel like a fucking dick now posting them, but I'm not accepting money for it. That wasn't my intention by what I said. Is that better though? FDUTHOY. I'm not even gonna pronounce. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that. I keep opening TradingView on my laptop and it keeps logging me out over here. Yeah, sorry,
F
bro.
F F Duthoy.
FDUTHOY, yeah, maybe. I don't know.
How the puppet pro. Do some ASMR before they open. Nah, man, that's a premium service, brother.
Yeah, it's a premium service. You can catch that on
Dude,
my OF.
we don't just do that for free.
Gosh, 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 darn it.
Oh, bless you. Good morning. Yep. When I was over in the UK, I got so used to drinking a White Monster every morning, and now it's like I don't have
Had the white monster.
it.
Have I heard about the polymarket prop firm? The crypto one, or just like the you mean the prediction market prop firm? Talking about premium services, I took a look at the lab website yesterday. Yeah, the lab website is there is no, what's it called? There's no way to purchase on that website.
Yeah, I've truthfully, that website is currently under reconstruction. Just really Polymarket. Did you guys see that one person that it's not really insider trading. They were joking about it. It's like outsider trading. But what he did was that he placed a bet for uh like a specific area, like weather report, or at least on the temperature. And what he did was that he went to the sensor with a heat gun, the sensor that reports the temperature of that area with a heat gun, and he fucking increased the temperature and made a crazy bet on Polymarket, and it paid him like 100x.
Can you not get in trouble for that?
I don't know. Not if they don't know it was you, or I guess I don't know. Because you can use I think crypto wallets in on Polymarket. And then like you just wear like a fucking mask when you go do it.
Are we going to place bets on Claude Mythos being released before the end of June? I'm not.
Before June?
That's not that far, by the way.
That's like in 7 days. Oh no, I'm lying. A month and seven
Bro, he
days.
just forgets about May. He's like, fuck May. We just go straight to June.
To fucking June, dude. I'm time traveling. I mean, that's how fast the months have been feeling lately.
Man, I'm
Yeah, I mean,
just so sad we didn't get a short pre-market. Hopefully they bring it back at the 9:30 and they don't take the high and they give us a chance to get into it. Well, obviously it would be the preview version. Yeah, but if they give you the preview, bro, they already said that Opus 9.7 has some of Mythos in it. Did the people actually have access to it though? I think they were trolling, weren't they?
bro. So check this out. Breaking French trader with hair dryer rigs Polymarket weather sensor prints 34K. His play buy 22 degrees Celsius contracts when the market priced them at near zero odds. And then he went to the sensor with a fucking hair dryer and just increased the temperature.
Legendary stuff, by the way. Just legendary, honestly. What happened to my trade yesterday? I closed it out on the way back through, and then I took a short a bit higher, and I basically got break even on the day. That was it. I made $91 yesterday. I know, crazy work, right? Was it Leo? Yeah, you boys got him. It was Leo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
We got him.
What update should Claude release today? I don't know. Some industry breaking.
Yeah, Claude every day. They have like a big board in that like a wheel in their office. They just spin it, and whatever it lands on, they push. Wild pieces on there. It's just very, very small, you know.
Yeah, I feel like every time I open Claude now, it's just like, oh, new release, update.
every day.
Every single day. Updated to 1.38883. Point zero.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll tell you what though, that the Claude model caught a nice little long yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Alex made Claude code a model for him.
I'm about to set it up with brokerage, see if I can get it to execute on a
Trade
small
Station.
live
I
account.
think Trade Station let you.
But yeah, just like put like, I don't know, 2K in it, make it trade micros, see what it gets to. IB, yeah, 10 minutes, 10-minute IB with a bunch of other filters that I'm not even entirely sure, to be honest. I need to go back and read it all.
He just let Mythos. Alex got hold of Mythos and he's cracked the stock market.
It's over. Yeah, that would be a cool series, Alex, actually, to be honest.
Yo, shout out you, C Capital. Shout out you.
Check over your screen. Got my first pair earlier this year in the trading contest with the lab was a big and getting profitable. Shout out you guys. Oh yeah. Oh, I think I know Z Capital. I think we spoke because we did a round of like feedback calls. I remember at one point. I think you were in there. Hope you're doing well, brother. Sounds like you are. It's good to hear. If it doesn't, it does already exist already. I'll send you the link. I want to see how it's doing. Do you guys still have anxiety when you're in your session? What do you mean, like live? Or do you mean like trading, just a regular session? Because I feel like we've been live so much. Trading in general. Nah, but honestly though, I do want to get a Whoop or just like a heart monitor just to track it.
Oh, Big J. How you doing, brother? Jordan, Emilion Dior brought out new golf shoes, so I'm officially back. All right? Just letting you know. Putting you on notice. That new golf line stuff. I bought the entire thing, can't lie. Both pairs of shoes. Um, yeah, I bought it all. Is that a limit order? Nah, we cancelled it because it hit that 1 hour logical liquidity target. Yeah, play once a year. Exactly. But when I do play it, I'm gonna at least be fucking fashionable. Do you know what I'm saying?
When are they releasing it? They already
18.
released it?
Yeah, I get pre-access. It's not out yet, but it's out. Like if they post about it, people can see it, but you're not allowed to buy it.
Fuck.
Yeah. So I just bought it
I
all.
I just know that would make me play better.
You know what I'm saying?
Looking good is half the battle.
18 handicap from Jordan though. That's I'll take that. Feel good, play good. I don't even care if I play good. I just want to look good, you know? Wow, we can't speak about the GOAT like that. I know Tiger's got his battles, but don't we all? Yeah, golf weather. My friend sent me a photo of him in the rough earlier. He goes, "Oh, look at the course. Looks great today." Like, yeah, it'd be great if you could fucking hit it. He was just in the rough.
Yeah, Jordan, weather was hella nice when I was over there. Kind of perfect.
Taking the
Taking
scenic route.
scenic route.
Yeah, do you know what I'm saying? That's me though as well. Nothing better than playing golf with the boys and getting some beers in. I need beers to get around that course. So yeah.
How many courses do you have like near your crib?
Oh, like bro, there's like 6, 7 golf clubs around me. The one we play at has 2 courses though. Honestly, the amount I pay to play per year, it doesn't make sense to have a membership. So I just rock up and pay for 18 every time I want to play.
Hole five already tipsy and can't hit shit.
Bro, I don't need to be tipsy to not hit shit, just saying.
Midnight open.
Do you know what I'm saying? Membership near
Yeah.
me is like sign-on fees like a couple of grand. And membership's like 1,900, 2 grand a year.
Great to know how much memberships are. It's crazy.
I tell you what though, Anthony Crudelli, his golf club is probably the best thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, you went to his?
Yeah. The site like the to be a member there must be 20 grand a year. Must be. I'm telling you, it was outrageous.
Average by me is 1,250, including sign on. Must be nice. Afternoon, Sean.
Is Delhi loaded? What do you think, my friend?
Excuse me.
Okay, his golf club. I'm gonna actually figure it out.
Yeah, 9:30 in about a minute and 30 seconds here. Like Santa, loaded like Santa. Back to a less important topic. Are we going up or down today? Jump to my head.
Okay, his membership, all right, to play golf there, it's 150 grand sign-on fee. And then you need a membership. So figure that out.
Jesus. He's him.
If you
Indeed.
can pay the whole membership up front, you can play it. If you need to wait to pay for it, you have to pay half up front and you have to wait. If you're on the wait list for a full membership. 150K dollars. Still a lot of money though. Anyway, it's a really nice golf course. Man, it's looking fucking bearish, isn't it?
Good Lord, yeah. Weed out the brokies.
You pull up to the Turnberry in the car park, it's just full of Rolls Royces and Bentleys. I'm gonna just go out there and say it. I think Bentleys are a piece of shit car. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna just say it. Everyone thinks it, but I'm gonna say it. Think for the money you can get a better car.
I mean, how much is like the average Bentley? Like 150.
Nah, yeah, yeah. You get like a Bentley Continental Flying, is it Flying Spur, whatever it is. It's it's a lot.
What's the next car you're gonna get?
Me?
Yeah,
Oh, we know what it is. It's just
Sam is
finding it
asking.
now. Sam, my next car is going to be the 765 LT.
That 12 cylinder is clean. Awful correlation between assets. Yeah, just a horrible open. 765. It is a sick car. It's top speed on the 765.
205 miles an hour.
Holy shit.
Mm,
You're basically flying a spaceship.
yeah, you basically are.
NQ lagging.
Yeah, ES going up. They're just fighting at this open, I think.
Yeah. You prefer 765 LT over SF90?
Yes. Bro, I'm telling you, I think the 765 LT is the nicest car in the world. It's actually like I've spoke about it for so long, actually.
Oh man. Yeah, boys, there's just nothing here. This thing is just a really, really ugly open. Just really, really tightly consolidating here. In the time NQ shopped YM took out pre-market, it went down quite a bit. Yeah, but we don't really watch YM to be honest with you. Since the market is being boring, when is the Pokemon pack opening stream coming? We gotta talk to
We got to talk to the account on that.
yeah. Let you guys know.
When the accountant clears it, we'll do it.
Just rip packs after winning trades.
We got to win trades first.
Senna or 765.
Oh, that you would get the Senna, yeah, of course. It's like comparing a P1 to a Fiat. Come on, what are you doing?
NQ starting to climb above here. The hourly saying no such
Senna,
decrease high
bro.
low.
The only thing that could be a Senna from the world of Ferrari is a LaFerrari, in my humble opinion.
How much are the Sennas going for?
1.9 mil.
Hmm.
A Senna, bro.
Steve, it might just come back into the range here. Senna is a personal rocket. Brave of you to open a 15-second chart in this shop. Brave man. Yesterday, 30 seconds. Today, 15 seconds. Man, why do I need coffee when I can watch that? I'll bring it back to the 1 minute. Just played 18 holes back in time for New York session. Summer's coming.
Getting dialed in. I'm just waiting for the chart market to fucking do something. Took out no hourly low. The swing's still there. Did we take out an hourly low on a yes? Um,
I don't think we did we? 9:39. We got about 20 seconds before the next 5 minute candle opens.
no, nothing. This is the area. This is the area. Would I take one? I don't even know why. Be basically playing like some full breakdown to here. I'd probably just wait. We still have 4 hour high. We have an hourly swing. We have it's a 5 minute. I would take it. Actually, there's just no reason I couldn't take it. But like, you'd want to see a breakdown to an hourly low. So it's basically just to the low. That's it. Like, there's just, yeah. I'm taking it one because I don't have the highest amount of confidence in it, but the market hasn't taken a low. So, personal.
I'm in. Shit. Just observing for now, boys. Order failed.
Yeah.
Thank you
What
away
will be
for
will
our
be on
hand,
this
man.
one. Honestly, my trade is not that like. I mean, you can switch to it, but it's it's pretty whatever.
Has he has taken any of the highs or no?
No, they both have an hourly swing and a 4 hour high. That's basically the trade,
Oh yeah, I see.
and it's just got this area that should hold. And if they can close through it, if they can close through 2762, the trade idea is over, right? Because that's the area like that should hold basically. And then if my break even point right now would be back at the open, like the high of the opening range. So here, and what will be. And I basically just want to see an hourly low taken to get us bullish. But if they want to buy it through here, they can do that. I just I just don't want to see him go closure too high, realistically. It's times like this I need to see a mountain of blue, mountain of buying up here. If I see a lot of buying here and
Like
they're not go
absorption.
and they're not going anywhere, then yeah, then this is where I'd be like, Leo, are they absorbing these? He'd be like, yep, they are. So I just don't want to see this. I want to see them just immediately get punished for being up here.
Too many candle close here. About 30 seconds.
Oh, I fucking opened my app on my phone. Can we just go off my screen quickly so I can just log back in? Cheers.
Struggling to. Whoa. New 15-minute candle open. That was an aggressive open on that candle. Holy.
Motherfuckers, they're not letting me log in now. Why are they not letting me log in?
That was an aggressive open. So we got an 15-minute candle here. Starting to aim for some internals. Nice push here to the downside.
Okay, they're not letting me log in anymore. So I'm gonna have to open up Trader 8. Why do they do that? Holy fuck, it's kicking me out everywhere. I'm glad I got a stop in.
News just happened, 9:45. Nah.
Yo, I actually can't log in
Oh
anywhere,
yeah.
by the way.
Yeah. It's not letting you. Not
Will
even.
not let me log in anywhere, not even on my phone, yeah. They got to take this high now. Yeah, they took
Soaked
it.
out the high. Yeah.
So dumb they actually won't let me log back in. It's actually fucking crazy.
Is it giving you an error or is it just not saying
Bro,
anything?
it would just say unauthorized access.
Oh,
And yeah, fuck them, man. Let me see if I can do it on my laptop. Kane got liquidated live on one contract. Can you imagine? Yeah, it just says error unauthorized,
mm.
which is nuts because I could log in before. So don't know why Trader Beta is so shit sometimes. Like actually, I love Ninja Trader, love working with them, but like some of the rules they have on the way you have to trade is like and use their platform is actually fucking retarded. Huge. Apple will now include a charger in the box with every new iPhone. Is that true? True news?
I think so.
Oh damn.
That's what's pumping the market.
Apple going up or what?
Eh,
Did Apple just dumped? That's hilarious. Are they going to dump this in 10? Probably not. Probably not.
I'm so tempted to short, but I just want to wait
Yeah, I don't blame you.
15 second OB. Down for the week, 804 days. First payout incoming. Dude, huge. Congratulations. Huge, huge, huge. Congrats. See if this 15 second OB plays. But I'm not in anything yet. I'm just gonna wait until 10 because it's already 9:50.
Lol.
Oh, okay. Okay. My bad. My bad, market. I shouldn't have said anything. What is this? Welcome to news-driven markets.
They got a long way to go yet before this is even valid for anyone, for me at least.
Slowly climbing back up. There was a TradingView desktop app update a couple of days ago. You mentioned different issues before. Maybe the update will fix them. TradingView usernames and passwords actually saved now. LOL. What I would like from TradingView is just quicker candle prints.
Would be nice.
Would be nice. ES, both in the same position. They stepped out that high. Seeing a bit of a retrace here, but nothing too major. So yeah, just waiting until 10 team. Till 10. Did you guys like the long or short emblem changes? Honestly, personally, I didn't even really mind the old ones.
Oh, I thought the new one's just like, and how much time probably went into that. Like, do we put an S here like this, and then we put an L? You think we do that? It's like, I think you guys just focus on making your app usable.
Looks so shit. Oh my God. Ruthless.
Not wrong though. Absolutely not wrong. Are you gonna take this drawn short? I can't log in, bro. So no, I actually won't be. Um, I'm just trying to reset it on my phone. Bro, Johnny people I see sometimes doing this. They're like, yeah, this looks like a really good trade. I'd probably take this. And it's like they're definitely long and short. Like they're short because the R multiple is always low.
Getting back into the range. 15. I think work out the 15-minute high here. 1 minute. Tempted to short this. This might be the one. It might be the one.
On 10 a.m. If it gets down here in the next 5 minutes, it's back at the open in the next five. It's kind of golden, to be honest.
This looks nice, but shit. Is she gone?
TP 26,850. What's that? New low. Asia low. Yeah, send it all the way to Asia low from here. It's crazy if this 1 minute plays, by the way. It's disgusting, actually. If this plays into an hourly low from here, after it stopped me out and then wouldn't let me log back in, I'll cry. I'll cry. Oh, ES still couldn't get up to its previous day high either. Yuck.
9:57. 3 minutes till 10.
Yeah, Justin, maybe I should just the ones I want to take I fade and the ones I put on that I'm like, nah, wouldn't take it. Should we break even? If you're in this trade right now, you wouldn't want to
I
see it
mean,
come all the way back up here. So yeah, probably.
it's a nice, such a clean setup too.
Realistically, the official rules on getting break even here is in 2 minutes time, if it doesn't create a 4 hour swing and takes a 15-minute low, right? So in 2 minutes time there'll be a new 15-minute low. You go break even on that 15-minute low.
Minute and 30 before 10.
Yeah. But like if it creates a 4 hour swing here, whoa, that w- this this is a great example of how I've always said to people when they're like, "Oh, but it's 6 minutes away from 10 a.m. and I'm just not sure if it will go all the way down there." I'm like, "That's not your job. It's not your job to think about that." The trailer for the Words of Wisdom thing is out.
Trader pin. Yesterday I was trying to make sense of the price action. Fucking pointless. If you feel like you're fighting it, you're probably fighting it. There's 10. See if it gets into the lows. Holy fuck,
So you'd be
boys.
break even here, right? Like the new 15-minute low. Yeah. At 10, it literally sweeps out a 15-minute low. You go break even on that. And now it didn't create a 4 hour swing. Didn't create it created an hourly swing, but you'd be break even because you wouldn't want it to come back. Or you close it. Like you have two choices. Close it because there's no swing to trade off, really. Or yeah, it's up to you. Personally, I'd be break even, but I just don't care that much.
That 15-second OB played. Closed. Nice. Just came back. Should have aimed lower. Could have, would have. That was a nice read, but nothing. What a meltdown. Yeah. From that high. Regret. 120 points.
It's actually a pretty good trailer.
You guys still have large losing months, weeks, or is it more of a big trend? I mean, yeah, I still have red weeks. Yeah. Are they like massive? No, not really.
Man, they are fucking selling it. Oh, did you enter? No, I actually got stopped out at this high right here, and it kicked me out of my broker login on TradingView, and I wasn't able to retake it. Still no hourly low, but you do have that 10 a.m. wickless fucking candle. I hate them.
I'll
Sucks to
tell you
suck.
what, though, not one to play the range here, but we get a range play.
Not one to play the range here, plays the range. Yeah, okay, buddy.
Oh, I thought we swept the previous hourly low. We didn't.
No, we didn't yet.
Shit.
Did you get in?
No, no, no. I do. Oh, this will run from me.
There you go. So now it's back at that 15. Now it's creating that 15-minute swing.
So yeah,
Sad that there's no hourly low though to play off.
that would have been so nice.
I still think they might fucking just sell it though, to be honest. Like, I'm sorry, but these, like, it has to take an hourly low somewhere. I'm just sorry. Like, the doesn't take an hourly low at all.
It would be kind of criminal.
Everyone gets to long for free. Sorry, that just doesn't happen. It took out that 50% point on the move down though. Got a really good reaction off.
50%.
27028.
Yeah, we tap back into 10 a.m. open. See if it wants to get lower here. Just tap back into the open, kind of die off.
NQ created a 5-minute inversion.
Mm.
Maybe
He's
long,
wicks
assuming the
now.
4 hour wick, maybe 50% of the previous 4 hour. Honestly, would I really want to be longing here without an hourly low? No. Would I want to be shorting here without previous day high? Probably not. The NQ trade already ran from 850, 7850 to 971. It ran 100 points, 105. Your break even at 63. TP literally at the hourly low. I don't know. Personally, I would have, yeah, I would have left it on, but that's just who I am. That's just who I am. One of my vices.
I mean, Joey, we have stacked up lows on every side, or stacked up highs and lows on every side. Just like endless. Maybe long assuming the 4 hour could maybe at a 50% of the previous 4 hour candle. Yeah, but that's a bold, like that's a risky assumption, you know. I think it would be best to just again, like what Kim was saying, it's just like just wait for it, sweep the previous hourly low, and then you can wait for the reaction out of there. I'm not in this. I don't want it anymore. I was gonna play the 15 second, but I did not enter. I swear to God, I framed the ugliest SMT for this trade. Just because it ain't pretty doesn't mean it won't work.
They really just sold it out of that 10. They put a wick on the 4 hour candle and just was like, yeah, thanks, see ya. It's the re-offer spot. I'd be shocked if they buy it off that hourly note low now, though. PA is tiramisu again. Don't let Kevin hear you say that.
Hop back into 10 a.m. open. Oh, brother.
2 secs.
Yeah, I agree. Seriously. Just got ticked. Just got two ticked for TP. Hell yeah. It's actually, this 15-second OB is actually playing, which is shocking. I'm not too shocked. The range lately has just been killer. Yeah, 650 minute opening range low. NQ did not. Yeah, true. What the algo say? Oh, algo said long. All but algo would have stopped break even actually. Because after 40 points, the algo moves break even. 40 points would have stopped break even here. Yeah, this is graduating back again with the donut people apparently not taking it first IFG soon. Donuts. Yeah. Looks like it wants to consolidate. Pax is loving the aura plays lately. Been playing out really well. Um, is 30 or 15 seconds time frame alignment you insanely use on a 1 minute time frame. So whenever I'm trading the 15, I use 5 as my higher time frame. So it's like if you think about it, like I'm just using the 5 minute as like as if it were like my 4 hour or my daily. And then I use like my 1 minute as an intermediate. Yeah.
Oh, I was muted. My bad. I think if they can get it back, if they can get it into this hourly low, I don't think they'll buy it. I think they'll sell it through it. And I think you actually could end up seeing a new low on the day. Because all it's done is it's taken Asia high, took out the high again, failed to take previous day high. That's pretty fucking bearish, to be honest, if they can get it back below the open. Anyway, boys and girls, how many of there are us in here today? Let me have a look.
200-ish.
We have 255. We have 200 of us and 55 likes. Hit the button.
Kind of rejecting off that 10 a.m. open. Thanks, Afterthought. Hit the like button. If you're enjoying these beautiful TLM setups.
Yeah, fucking hell. It's there, but geez, it's not like today is just annoying, actually. I didn't create that 4 hour swing though. So like I can frame it back to the high. Realistically, I think the likelihood is they send it to a low, like a 4 hour low, which you're probably gonna get at 6 a.m., 6 a.m. low. Which at that point I probably favor the 2 a.m. low over the 6 a.m. low, but we'll see. We will see. Yeah, Flav, I kind of trade from like 3 to half 4. Half 4 onwards is a bit late. New York AM, 9:30 to 11. Yeah, sometimes maybe 11:30, depending how the market sets up. And then PM, 2 till 3 only. Like, actually don't look at it before or after those hours. So ES is actually trying to push here, and NQ is sloping off. So yeah, not looking too hot. What I would actually really like to see is in the next 2 minutes is they hold it here, then they spike the current 15-minute high at 10:08 on a yes, and they kill it. Something like that.
Nice, Sean.
Good job, Sean, bro.
Who shorted this? Who shorted
Yeah,
the TLM?
who did short this actually?
Yeah, type one if you shorted the TLM.
I shorted zero
Zero
two
two eight.
eight. Oh, it's quite low. Did anyone short 78 half? Two. I did, but I'm out now. Yeah. I took the lower 1 minute. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, you felt some heat on that one, didn't you?
710.
Man, just take a fucking hourly low. Boys, come on. Boy, it ain't that hard. 100 point short, yeah, exactly.
Man, it just doesn't want to.
And if you didn't get out for 100 points the first time and stayed in it, you got an option to get out of it the second time for 100 points. So actually now, what I actually would like to see is ES spike that high like that, and now they kill it. If they kill it here, it's uh it's crazy work from them. Did ES create the swing? Or it literally closed dead on. Actually
Oh
dead
yeah, it
on.
did. Yeah, starting to move higher there too.
No 4 hour swing, boys. Remember that. Couldn't get greedy on your trade. Took out 930 on a yes, pulled back, reoffered, now trading higher. It's like, how do you frame this context over and over, you know? Reoffer, now trade higher. They accept back in here. What is that frame for me? Accumulation. They distribute lower, especially inside of like a higher time frame. Don't know, there's different ways to frame this right now. But the main one is there is no 4 hour swing, so shorts are off the table. At least for me. You could be still in it if you want to be greedy for that low. Personally, I wouldn't be long until new low, and I wouldn't take shorts until a 4 hour high or 4 hour swing forms, or at least a 4 hour high to then trade the potential formation of a 4 hour swing.
We'll try some longs at 011.
Did you get in already?
Yeah, 011.5s.
ES drag, thank you. Yeah. Close above this 3 minute. Yeah, makes sense. NQ just looks fucking weak right now.
Yeah,
You actually are just hoping for a catch up trade on NQ right now. But if it works the
yeah.
other way, you're just getting absolutely fucked.
Just want to see it get above the 29s. And if not, it's a worrisome. It's worrisome. This will be my only trade for today, actually. Not looking good, boys. 0.89 or 99.5. There you go. Oh, this continuous auto fit throws me off. That might be me. Let me see. Just like 2 ticks away from my stop there. And no, that is me, boys. Stopped out. That'll be my only trade for today. Unfortunate. No.
To get you and bring it back.
Yeah, I'm watching the 15-second. No.
I think they're about to kill it, bro.
You like that setup on ES though. Let's sweep it at 950 low, close above this 10 a.m. candle. Start to get above the open. I was trying to trade ES through NQ. Put some aura music to encourage NQ. Yeah, she needs encouragement. Wish I could do that. What happens to the market post October? I feel like there's no way NQ doesn't take all these lows. Still ranging here. You think ES starts moving lower here?
Yeah. 15-minute swing above 10. If ES can get a closure below 15925, I think that's it. It's they're just gonna kill it. They're trying to defend that level so hard. Buyers are just stepping in. When a 15-minute swing does not form, is there any situation where you enter anyway, assuming the next candle will buy up without taking the low? Not really sure I understand the context. Um, I no, not really. So right now we have this 15-minute like divergence. I think in the next 7 minutes, if they can both wait around here, if NQ's below 27K in the next 15 minutes at a turn, I think that they look below 930, take the hourly low, take the 15-minute low, take the 30-minute low, and if they can try and buy it back, great. If not, it's whatever. Like I think it's cooked. Alex might have just got tickled out of his trade.
To the tick, the actual tick. Well, at least on MNQ.
Yeah, there you go, new high again.
Say 15-minute low is not taken, do you always wait for it to be taken? Yeah. I mean, I would say so, yeah. How's the trading day going? Not too bad. Took a loss here. Might have
Pretty
just
boring.
gotten kicked out, but it's a part of it. Kane, do you have a continuation model or setup?
I do, but I rarely take it. ES looks really bullish now, to be honest. Could have shorted 28s 100 times, yeah. But the thing is like if this is going to go higher, it should clear this out. And if it's going to go lower, it should clear this out, right? So really, I'm just waiting to fade one. ES just did this alley oop. Maybe ES manipulates, get divergence. Maybe ES goes and takes out previous 4 hour high and previous day high, all in one. You got 4 minutes for ES to create a 15-minute high or a swing. And if not, this 15-minute candle closes like this, I think the likelihood is they're going to make a new high. And then they realize, oh, wait, we're 5 points away from the 4 hour high. They go take it. And then they realize we're 2 points from previous day high. They take it. So I think it's a crucial 4 minutes. ES just needs to accept back below 165. If they hold 165s up here, I think they just use this to go higher.
By the way, guys, we're 23 likes away from 100, so I know we can make it happen.
Do the thing. Do the
Do the
raw.
thing. Do the thing. For the sake of me being literally ticked at the low, I've got my current stop loss drawing on, so you guys can see it because it's actually nuts. Counting on previous day high myself on ES, still from 151. Yeah, ES has this. This is the OB that I was actually observing on ES. Let me make it a different color so you guys actually know what I'm talking about. The orange one. Still a 1 to 2 every time it's touched, but can't take more than once.
Oh, they're getting moving now.
Oh yeah, again moving. I mean, it took out that 15 high now. Isn't that what you wanted? The
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
29.5.
But ES needs to create that swing now. All I would do is take the trade I would take now is like a 15-minute Leo trade. Like 15-minute high, And then if ES can get a closure below 160s, then I would look to short. But
160s. Only issue here is if NQ, ES dies, NQ gets cremated.
you what?
5 minutes. Yeah, I mean, if ES obviously gets a move on here to the downside, it's kind of over for NQ because you have
Yeah.
this much room on ES, and you have how many ticks is that? Yeah, you got about like 25 points worth of downside on ES, which means it'll just drag it down with it. So you'll get a nice expansion bit below these lows. But yeah, I locked myself out of my accounts. So I got like maybe one account. Only issue here. No, no news in 15. No news in 15. Okay, there's no more news. Unless there's somebody speaking that I don't know about, which in that case,
There you go. Took the 15
holy
minute high
rage.
again.
Wow is right. I have to do Thoy. Wow is right. Were you able to log back in or no?
No. I'm logged into my personal on my phone though. I just can log into my Apex account. Yeah, I think this just looks bullish as fuck, boys. Can't lie. The more I think, the more I look at it. Oh, you can fade
Getting a
something
move
here,
on.
but honestly, the lack of swing really like upsets me. And considering it just respected 980 so well, it's just like it's a smack in the mouth.
Yeah, boys, yes is almost at that high. That's 7171. And then it has all these highs to move above. Didn't even go break even really on this 50-minute high, so close to my entry on 1 minute inversion. Big buyers stepping in, a couple 500 plus lots on hit ES. Hmm. The 15-second played out, needed a bigger stop loss. Yeah, absolutely, brother.
Why'd I
Yeah,
turn
yeah.
channels off on my channel? Comments off, sorry. Because I don't read them, so I only read them here. So, and that's said on the stream. And if people don't have the IQ to realize that, then I don't. I got 40 DMs the other day, like, yo, why are you ignoring everyone in your channel? So I turned the comments off. See that, George?
See, Jordan.
If you've done the 1 minute inversion, where is your logic to be 50% of the range, 15-minute high? The 1 minute down here. This one? I'd have been out of this here probably. I'd have got stop break even. Yeah, I'd have got stop break even. Thing is, there's no swing to play off of it. So like, there's literally not any swing. No 15, no hour, no 4. Like trading here for me is just like it's kaput. Your father-in-law.
Well, you can't retract it now after the way we read it. It's a little too late on that retractment. I had to trade and show them. Oh, there you go. Committed to it. Double down.
Double down on that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but we're just in the midpoint of this range. I'm not really
I think they're
sure.
just gonna keep accept like there's a long here now of like the 90 MA, I think. I would imagine. Like this rounding at the bottom, typically imagine this. Let's get the 90 MA up. There you go. Go on the 5 or the 3. Where is it? Yeah, there. There you go. Acceptance. Now it's just another long back up to the high. That's an XY trade right there, I think. Especially if they're buying the fuck out of it here. Man, it's crazy they didn't take that low though.
XYZ, is that you?
See, told you. It's an XYZ. It's an XYZ trade. Like if they're buying it a lot here and the nines here. I was an SMA guy back in the day. The simple.
I was a wick off.
You were a
Did you ever
what?
trade that? Wyckoff?
Oh,
Wyckoff?
yeah. No, I never really traded that to be honest.
He's like fucking measured waves, measured
Oh,
swings.
the Elio wave shit.
Yeah. Wyckoff and Elliott waves, yeah.
Yeah, no thanks. You can keep that shit.
It's a combination of things. I was trading, yeah, Wyckoff and Elliott wave with like zero TTEs.
How would that
And I was
go?
wondering why I was losing.
Yeah, I bet. Let me turn this off. Yeah, there's just no fucking trade here.
Did study Elliott wave when earning my CMT license. Nice. How does it feel to be a chartered, what is it?
Chartered magician.
Chartered, chartered market technician.
Who made that?
What?
Like the CMT.
I don't know, but it's an actual it is an actual like certificate, I would say. I'm not sure MTA association. What are the benefits though? I have looked at it, but mainly because they release like research papers.
Oh, they dumped it straight out of there. Crazy work from them.
What do you have outlined? What's that blue on the right?
Oh, it's a 5 minute inversion that I took on the way through up here.
But
I got stopped out. It held though. 15-minute high as well. They can't sell it from here. I'm sorry, but that's just illegal. I actually think it's illegal if they do this.
imagine they close this 15 minute swing, 10, 15, 10, 30, 15 minute swing.
Yeah, I can imagine it.
Underwater ceramics technician, also known as dishwasher. You never know.
You never know.
I should ask the MTA Association if they will include the ICT concepts in their curriculum. Tell them to include the TLM in their curriculum.
Tell them they'll have to pay me.
We all know Dave cut the lows with his proprietary theory. I have proprietary technology that allowed me to catch these lows and get stopped out to the tick. Yeah, F2 story. This is what I would be looking at, to be honest. Retrace back into there. Super the previous 50-minute high. Do either of you know which account size is statistically easier? I don't know if we could, speak as Jesus fucking Christ.
Like
I don't know
statistically,
if I
you
can speak
can't
on
say
this.
that, right? Because the reality is it's different for different people. However, lower drawdown means lower profit target, but lower profit target statistically is easier to pass. Right. So statistically, if you look at one variable, the profit target, it's easier to pass. However, it's harder to pass because you have less drawdown. So it's like it balances out. And okay, someone somewhere can try and do the math on it, but the reality is if trading was black and white, everyone would be a fucking billionaire by now, and no one is. So it doesn't matter, you know. It's all about what suits you, and context is important in trading. So that, Justin.
Who's that, Justin? Anytime. AVIS vaulted.
Man, they really created a new high here on the 30, and they're just killing it. But ES just looks so fucking mega strong. Just can we get a pullback, please? to an hourly low. Then we can all long to the highs. You can just buy it lower. Exactly, yeah. Exactly, Mag. That's exactly what I'm trying to do, to be honest. As soon as this strikes like 11, I'm gonna get out of here.
See you, Mag. Going to enjoy the sun. Oh yeah, that you get for 2 weeks of the year. Actually disgusting. Yeah, boys, I'm running with my one loss. That's it. Played golf this morning. Already got sunburn on my neck. Yes, I'm British. Sunscreen, brother. Yeah, Mag. PM is Leo. 2 p.m. Nasty work here from NQ.
Yeah. It's actually just a yes, right? But yeah, your NQ did they fucked you today, my boy.
Fred, that AVIS chart is crazy, by the way.
The what?
AVIS, I think it's like a car company. It's down like they halted trading because it's down like 40% today.
Yo, what the fuck happened?
I have no
Okay,
idea.
yeah, 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 but you missed something, bro. It was also up a fuck ton. It was up 765%, and it's now
Yeah.
down.
Yeah, from the high, yeah.
What did they do? They announced, is this the company that announced they're an AI company now?
No, I think that was a shoe company. I swear we get this question like every so often.
What question?
Did anyone know about Justin Werlian?
Yeah, I don't really care about that guy, I'm gonna be honest.
Allbird. Yeah, Allbird was the one that switched. Short squeezed. They're just bringing it back down. Thanks, F2 Thor.
Oh, okay. They had a massive short squeeze. Bro, can you imagine being a bag holder of Avis and it jumps from sub 100 to 80, 850? Yeah, the lab is going to become an AI company and we're going to IPO. If you want to buy
You heard
lab
it here
shares
first.
pre-IPO, let me know. Buy a lab company, I just mean we're all in on Claude.
Series A, first round of shares opening. If you buy, you get a hat.
Yeah, this is what's going to happen, right? We're going to get up and pitch our company, and we're actually just going to do this. This is all that's just going to be on the screen. All right, ready? Wait, where's my mouse? This is all that's going to be on. Oh, that's not it. That's not it either. Why is it not working?
Darian is the AI model. Yeah, we trained Darian is actually not a real person. It's just Claude.
Oh, it won't work because it's an SVG, I think.
I have 200K GBP. Okay. You get a hat, brother. 500 Series A shares and a hat. We're pre-revenue, pre-operations, pre-idea.
Free LLC. If you get in now, it's guaranteed. And when Claude Mythos comes out, whoa,
There's no downside here, only upside.
the downside is the limiting beliefs that your brain lets you think
Hmm.
there is a downside.
The downside is that you're gonna wish
I
you
want some
bought
JMM
more.
glasses. How does that not come with the bundle? If you invest over 100 million, you get a pair of JMM glasses for free. What do I think of Yush on the podcast? I liked Yush, actually. Yeah. What do you guys think about Yush?
Oh, they released a full episode.
It's out, the trailer's out. Yeah, Yush is nice. Cool guy.
I heard Juno caught a nice little long during the London session.
Shout out my boy.
Switch from ICT to workflow.
Does Riz have a background in trading? Yeah, he trades. He understands trading well. Like he understands the concepts and like he's not just a podcast host. Umar's on another planet in a good way or a bad way.
Back above, or back into the 60s. But adding an element of order flow to my trading has taken it to another level. It's good to hear. 51, yeah. So I took that 1030, closed above that 1015. So now we're just seeing a continuation here. Super previous 50-minute high again. His appetite for risk, talking about risking 1 mil like it's nothing.
Yeah. But he's also really rich. You have to understand that, right? Is ES gonna start rolling higher? I took out that 4 hour high. Come on, squeeze to the previous day high. I dare you. I dare you.
Yeah, Mag, I think it just depends, right? Like everyone's different about it. Just more confusion. Yeah, that's fair. Some people like it, some people don't. As long as if it improves your edge, it improves it. If it doesn't, it doesn't, you know? I think you kind of have to go all in if you were to do it. Yeah. I mean, don't half-ass that. Uh, your edge, I would say. There's no point.
Man, I'm kind of glad I
Yeah,
didn't
and
get this trade now. I'd be so tilted at this price action. Actually. No hourly low.
oh yeah.
Like actually with that shit would piss me off.
Yeah, like, not looking to add, just doing some research on it. I
No
think it's pretty
4 hour low,
interesting.
no hourly low. I think I'm done, boys. It's nothing here for me. I'm not interested
Yeah,
shorting from this
same,
high.
same, 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 same.
All right, boys. Appreciate you all. We're gonna end it here. There's just nothing to be done.
Yeah, team.
I finished $800 down the day. Move on with it. Come back Monday. I'm away tomorrow. So peace, brothers. Thank you all very much.
Yeah,
Hit like and subscribe on the way out. And the team will be live tomorrow. I'll be live on Monday, and I'll see you all then. Much
Leo
love as
will be live
always.
2 p.m. And any questions, prop firms, anything, propfirm.compare, you guys know where to go, create an account, leave some reviews. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Thank you all.
Cheers, boys and girls. Thank you.